What are leads in digital marketing? The main aim of digital marketing is to generate sales online for e-commerce businesses and leads for all other businesses. Leads are usually online forms being filled out or phone calls from a website. What is a KPI, CPA, and conversion rate in digital marketing? The best KPI or key performance indicator in digital marketing is ROI, or return on investment. How many leads did you get for your investment? In e-commerce, ROI and ROAS are common acronyms. ROI is return on investment, and it is an internal metric that can be calculated a few different ways. But ROAS is return on ad spend and is a constant and consistent measure used by digital marketers. ROAS is your total revenue from a specific ad or ad campaign divided by your advertising costs. So if you spent $1,000 and made 10 sales of $500 each, equaling $5,000, your ROAS would be 5 times, i.e. you spent $1 to make $5. And in this instance, the cost per acquisition, or CPA, would be $100 because you got 10 sales from $1,000, as it cost $100 to get a sale, and the conversion rate was 10%, so 1 in 10 clicks resulted in a sale. These are the fundamental statistics to understand in order to know if investment in digital marketing is working and if it should be expanded or reduced, and which platform or ad is working the best.